Hey, good morning, guys. It's been a long time. I'm washing my clothes. I brought my washer from the States, and I the only thing I do is wash the clothes and then hang it up. You don't need to bring your dryer to dry the clothes, because, as you know, the sun is here and these machines work here. So instead of coming without your washer, if you have a washer, or you want to bring your washer, bring it. It should work. I mean, if you have a converter, like a transformer that will change the 220 to 110, and you can use your appliances, your washer from the States, and use it here. I have my generator. I'm currently using this one out here. That's the one that I'm using to power to wash the clothes. I mean, you can use the electricity, the regular electricity with a transformer. See, got my clothes out there. See, I just wash the clothes, and then hang it up to dry. In 5 minutes, it's all dry. So it's just some tip that trying to give you guys. So if you have your washer and dryer in the States or UK, and you want to come here, I mean, just bring the washer. You don't need the dryer. So you can be able to wash your clothes instead of paying someone to wash the clothes for you. You can just wash the clothes yourself, and then hang it up. See, just hang it up, and will save you a lot of money. See, so just a hint. Okay, guys, have a nice day.